Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today, we're diving into the new 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. This legendary supersport has returned with upgraded features and fresh improvements that are sure to impress riders and enthusiasts alike. Let's break down the highlights of the 2025 model. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R continues its aggressive and sleek design, boasting sharp lines and a more aerodynamic body. Kawasaki has refined the fairing for better wind resistance, while the new color schemes, including a fresh lime green and black combo, keep it looking bold and stylish. The sharp, angular look not only enhances the bike's appearance but also its performance at higher speeds. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the ZX-6R packs a 636cc inline-4 engine, which remains one of the most well-balanced engines in the class. For 2025, Kawasaki has fine-tuned the engine for better throttle response and improved mid-range power. Riders will notice a smoother power delivery, particularly in urban and track settings. The 6-speed gearbox is precise, and the slipper clutch reduces rear-wheel chatter during hard braking or downshifting. Electronics and features. Kawasaki hasn't skimped on tech. The 2025 ZX-6R features an updated TFT display, giving riders a more user-friendly interface with better visibility in various lighting conditions. Advanced electronics, such as Kawasaki's KQS, Kawasaki Quick Shifter, and selectable power modes, provide a tailored riding experience. The traction control system has been upgraded for more fine-tuned intervention, keeping riders safe and in control under any condition. Chassis and suspension. The 2025 Ninja ZX-6R retains its lightweight aluminum frame, contributing to a balanced and responsive feel on the road. The suspension has been optimized for better handling and comfort, with fully adjustable front forks and rear shock. Whether you're on the street or the track, this bike promises impressive stability and agility. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking for a well-rounded sport bike. With its aggressive design, enhanced engine performance, and cutting-edge electronics, the ZX-6R continues to be a top contender in the supersport category. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates and reviews on the latest motorcycle models. Don't forget to like and subscribe.